Okay, so let's look how TextHolder works, and you see that now we have no more than 55 characters per line, and of course it's much more readable as it was before. So to do that we need just to hold all children that we want to have these rules right in TextHolder component. And at this moment we need to have only one children in this TextHolder component, because actually we have here some rule like this, React children only. So what we can do, we can have such rule like one child here, or we can add additional div wrapper for every case. I don't know what will be better, so I keep it like this now. And the cool thing that it works not only, well, it has two events, a component did mount, a component did update, and let's test it. So we have our variables that is set it after 3 seconds, and let's add it here. And what you can do, you can just add it like this, but you will see that it is not work. It doesn't work. Let's wait 3 seconds and see that here we have updated characters per line, and here we don't have it. Why? Because in this test we have only test variable, we have only text, and we don't have any paragraphs, and this typography component works only with paragraphs, and I think it's logical. And I thought maybe it's hard-coded, but no, I don't think it hard-coded, because I think the only elements with we need to work in this way, like short our lines, characters per line. That should work only for paragraph, and every text should be wrapped in the paragraph. So of course, if you will just put the text right in the content without any paragraph, it will not work, and for my opinion it should not work. So okay, let's wrap it in the paragraph, and let's test it works. Okay, so text is okay, and you added text, it's also okay. New added was added here in component did update. Great. The one thing that actually you have here some parameters that you could put to the TextHolder components. First of them is letters per row, and second is relation. Let's play first with letters per row. It's, of course, it's pretty obvious, but by default is 75. And let's test it if we will have 100 letters per row. I think for our case it should be more than 75, so I would prefer to have 18. You know what, I even set here this 18. I think this is a good value by default. And the other thing that you will see that we have here relation, and relation, this is a constant that also can be changed, and this constant is basically depends from the font family, yeah, from the font. And here's the article. I will leave here this link where this author, I don't know, I'm sorry, his name, but where he described all these things, and he has here these formulas, and here has he this relation for different font sizes. Again, we will keep it as 2.0 by default, but if you need, you can change it directly from here. So for example, we could set relation to 1 and 8. Let's look how it will work. Okay, so something like that. So it depends from from the fonts. Okay, next. Also, one ability that we have is to exclude some paragraphs. For example, if we don't have to have the rule for some paragraphs, we just need to add class no TextHolder, and in this case, for this paragraphs, we will not have this rule with shortening string, right? And we can have, as you see, we can have it not only for one particular paragraph, we can set it for some wrapper. For example, we can set it for div, right? And we can have, for example, 2 of paragraphs, and both of them will not have this rule, right? They will be not shortened. And of course, we can do something like this. So in this case, first will be not shortened, and then second will be. Yeah, this is it that I wanted to show you about this TextHolder component. Thanks.